Prosecutors plan to retry Karen Read after mistrial in murder case. A judge declared a mistrial on Monday in the murder trial of Karen Read, a Massachusetts woman accused of killing her police officer boyfriend, John O'Keefe, in 2022. The decision followed 5 days of jury deliberations and a 9-week trial. The jury was deadlocked, some members convinced by the evidence against Read and others finding the prosecutor's case lacking. Karen Read, 44, was charged with second-degree murder, motor vehicle manslaughter, while driving under the influence and leaving the scene of a collision causing death. Prosecutors argued that Read, the financial analyst, intentionally backed her Lexus SUV into O'Keefe and left him to die on January 29, 2022. They described the couple's relationship as tumultuous. Read's defense team claimed that she was framed by other law enforcement officers to cover up a beating O'Keefe allegedly suffered during a gathering at the home where his body was found. They accused lead investigator Massachusetts State Trooper Michael Proctor of manipulating evidence and sending vulgar messages about Read. Proctor has been relieved of his duties and is under investigation for misconduct. During the trial, Assistant District Attorney Adam Lally acknowledged Proctor's inappropriate texts but maintained they did not affect the investigation's integrity. Lally argued that Read admitted to hitting O'Keefe and that vehicle data, broken taillight evidence and DNA found on the SUV supported the prosecution's case. He dismissed the defense's cover-up claims as speculative. Read's attorney, Alan Jackson, countered that the taillight was broken after Read had dropped off O'Keefe and driven home, later panicking when she realized he had not returned. He presented evidence suggesting O'Keefe was inside the home where his body was found, contrary to prosecution claims. Jackson also introduced a third-party culprit theory, suggesting that Brian Higgins, an ATF agent who had exchanged flirtatious texts with Read, might have been involved in O'Keefe's death. Higgins denied seeing O'Keefe inside the house and being upset over Read ignoring him. A forensic engineer testified that O'Keefe's injuries were inconsistent with being struck by a vehicle traveling at over 20 miles per hour, adding uncertainty to the cause of death. Following the mistrial, Norfolk County Superior Court Judge Bevan Cannon scheduled a status hearing for later this month. The district attorney's office expressed gratitude to O'Keefe's family and confirmed plans to retry the case. Read's lawyer vowed to continue fighting the charges.